Many differently abled are now more than abled because someone wanted to bring a change that was enabled by technology, innovation and a will to do good for the society. Hello and a very warm welcome to our special Do Big Stories Powering Innovations presented by Tata Docomo Business Services. So far, we've brought to you some of the most inspiring technology innovations from across the country. And this time, we bring you a story of how a business was combined with philanthropy and technology to transform lives.
Beginning of Vindhya was primarily on a note of bringing business and philanthropy together.
That's when we started employing people with disabilities.
We offer services which cater to banking, microfinance industry, telecom and telemedia. We also provide customized services in terms of employee records management.
We provide data processing, data analyzing and then managing all the back-end operations of our customers.
Our objective is to create employment to people who are differently able.
Today we have grown to over 1,300 people as an organization which has been providing opportunities for people with disabilities, women, and also we've added transgenders.
When we are employing people who are differently abled, we are always on constant lookout to see how we can use technology to assist people that we employ to provide superior and better services to our customers.
Our persons with disability employees may take a little more time, the learning curve may be a little longer than the so-called normal people. But our knowledge retention is way too high, and then the kind of repetitive work that we do kind of enables us to deliver much more.
One of the successful implementations is the graduation from PRA technology to a SIP technology that kind of enhanced our operational efficiency from an occupancy of 76% to about an 83% with a reduction in post-dial delays which was non-existent or which was a little higher in the older technology of PRIs.
We manage our employees' disabilities with the skills that is required. If you look at a person who's hearing impaired, so we put them on the work where they manage only data, so they don't have to do any call center activities, which gives them kind of much more productivity. And then our visually impaired people work on the contact center activities for help desk or customer care. So putting them into the job where they have higher advanced kind of skills than a normal person kind of always puts us in a position of advantage kind of rather than being any disadvantage or any trouble for that matter.
पहले नॉर्मल था, मैं प्लम्बर काम कर रहा था, एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक मार के एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, दोनों भी हाथ बर्न हो गया, रिकवर नहीं होता है, इसे डॉक्टर बोले था, सो कट करने पड़ेगा ऐसा बोल दिया। सो कहता भी मेरे को तकलीफ हो गया, क्या करना है, दोनों भी हाथ नहीं है। सो दोनों भी 2 साल से मैं घर पे रहा था, किसी कोनो भी मेरे को काम नहीं दिया है। सो बाद में इधर आके मेरे को काम दिया तो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मेरे को almost normal person ऐसा दिख रहा है।
Vindhya is always dreaming of creating opportunities for needy, and going forward we want to be a 5,000 people organization by 2020.
अभी मैं इधर आके 6 साल हो गया, 6 साल से क्या था मेरा एग्जीक्यूटिव एडमिन बनना है। अभी इधर आके मेरे दूसरा जनों के एक एग्जाम्पल हो गया मैं, और सो और 2 लड़का देखो, ये 2 हाथ नहीं है तो कहते कुछ काम कर रहा है, उसे ग्रेट हो गया।
Vindhya is an example where they say that these people are, if not more or less, they are as much as equal in terms of delivering what expectations are. It is only that so they need an opportunity.
So this was all about Vindhya eInfomedia and how they have managed to provide inclusion to the disabled and excluded. With that, it's a wrap up for now, but we'll see you next week with yet another compelling technology innovation story that will inspire you to do big. Meanwhile, for more such stories, you can log on to our website www.edcio.com/dobig.